guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I have this calligraphy set. I purchased this earlier from the works and this is only £4. So yes, so what it includes is a pen, a book and 2 nibs. I don't know what they are, I know absolutely nothing, and 3 ink cartridges. And I'm guessing you'll probably need paper because otherwise how do you write stuff? So yeah, I'm gonna start opening this right now. So here we are, our book on how to do calligraphy, which is very useful because I am a complete beginner and have no idea how to do calligraphy. And our pen and ink cartridges. And this is very nice. Okay, so I did put the ink carton in. I did it off camera because I didn't know how to put it in, so I had to quickly search it up. So I just want to see, how do you make it work? So after me trying to get it worked, I got all over my fingers because I didn't realise it was coming out. That's quite funny. So I'm just going to see what I can do without the book. It is quite fun to use these pens. So that's just what I've written right now. I'm just going to zoom in so it'll be much easier now. So using the book, I'm going to see what I can do. This book on here has numbers on it, so on by there it tells you like how you can do it. It tells you where to go. Do mind me, I am quite bad at this. Well, that's basically it for today. Our ink cartridges did come with another nib, a finer one. And it did come with blue and green. Well, I really love this set so much. It's quite simple and fun. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks.